Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Imagine turning your home lights on or off from anywhere in the world using just your phone or laptop. Sounds cool, right? Well, that's exactly what this project does. In this video, I will show you how I built a simple yet powerful home automation system using the ESP8266 microcontroller, a Flask backend, and a SQLite database, and a web interface made with the HTML. This is a complete IoT project that lets you control your light remotely from your browser. The working of this project: a web app sends a command to a server. The server updates the status in a database. The ESP8266 reads that status and switches a relay that controls a light in your home. All of this happens over a Wi-Fi. No need to be in the same room. Whether you're learning about IoT, wants to automate your home, or build your own smart devices, this project is a great place to start. Now let's take a closer look at the architecture of this project. At the core of the system is the ESP8266, a Wi-Fi enabled microcontroller that controls a relay. The relay in turn switches the light on or off, allowing us to control a physical device through code. The ESP8266 does not work alone. It communicates with the backend server using an API. This is how it receives instructions. On the front end, we have a simple web app. It acts like a remote control. When you press the on or off button on the web page, a request is sent to the server. The server updates the light status in the database, and the ESP8266 constantly checks its status using the API. If it sees a change, it updates the relay and the light turns on or off accordingly. So the data flow looks like this: web app, server, ESP8266, relay, and then light. It's a neat example of how software and hardware can work together in a real time using a Internet of Things technology. Okay, let's start this. Here you can see there are three files we are using. One is a index1 html, which is a web interface. Next one is a database, and automation.py is the backend logic. In that you can see we are using a Flask import star, which takes all the input, and SQLite 3, and also we can see here check underscore status, where we are using it to return the current status on or the off of the light in this program. And here we can see, as we are getting 200 means it is successfully. And also we can see HTTP, which showing us on or the off button, and we have to just copy this HTTP. And let's go to Arduino home automation. In this we can change this board using tools and board like ESP8266 mode, and also we can use Wi-Fi multi. We can change the password, and in this link one we can just paste whatever we have copied in back that HTTP. You have to paste here, and as we can see, if the payload is on, then relay is low. If the payload is off, then the relay is high. And now as output we can just compile and run. It will take time. And now we just open our web. Okay, we can see our in web interface there is a 2 button, on and off. If we on, the bulb will be turned on, or the bulb or the light. If we off the button, then we can switch off the light using relay. And that's it, a complete home automation system built with the ESP8266, a Flask backend, and a simple web interface and a SQLite database. This project is a great example of how IoT can bridge the gap between the digital and physical world, letting you control real world devices from anywhere. Whether you are a beginning looking to get started with the embedded system or some exploring full stack IoT development, this is a solid project that covers hardware, software, and networking all in one. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more tech and DIY projects, and drop a comment if you have any questions or want to see more builds like this. Thanks for watching.